So the first set you want to do is Vakshvikasa done. Okay, you do it like this and fully touch. Come on. Do 10 reps, take a 2-minute break, switch to another. Next exercise is close grip pull up. Do 10 reps, take a 2-minute break, switch to another. Now the third exercise is close stand squats. Lift the barbell. All you have to do is keep your stance close as you can. If you can keep it like this, keep it like this. Sit fully down. Your heels to your buttocks. Lift up. You see, like this. Straight. See, like this. Okay. Do 10 reps of this exercise. Switch to the fourth one. Now the fourth exercise is simply dumbbell fly, chest fly. Arch your back, roll back your shoulder, breathe in, breathe out. Slow and controlled form. Okay, do 10 reps, take a 2-minute break and switch. Another exercise is sumo stiff leg deadlift. You see, sumo also stiff leg. Okay. You're going to focus your hamstring in simple words. This slow and controlled form. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay. Do 10 reps, take a 2-minute break, switch to another. Now, the sixth exercise is the diamond push-up. Okay. You're going to make a diamond like this. Not like this. This is a diamond. Make it like this on the floor. Fix your hands. Touch your chest to your diamond. Lift yourself up. Okay. So you're going to focus more on triceps. Do 10 reps. Take a 2-minute break and switch to another. Now, coming to our seventh exercise is dumbbell shrugs. Now, the thing is you're going to do one at a time. Do 10 reps from this side. Then switch to this side. Keep this hand stationary. Okay. So you are doing 10, 10, 20 reps. Take a 2-minute break, switch to another. The eighth exercise is the concentration curl. Dumbbell concentration curl. Okay. You do not need a stool. Simply hold in a hip hinge position. Put your triceps here and okay, 10 reps from this hand and 10 from this. Okay, take a 2-minute break, switch to another. The ninth exercise is dumbbell kickback. See, it's a triceps exercise. Adjust yourself on anything. You can use a bench or anything like that. Fold your knees. Keep a hip hinge position like this. Do not do it like this, and kick back. See, kick, tricep, back. Okay, do 10 from this hand and 10 from this hand. Okay, take a 2-minute break, switch. Now the 10th exercise is glutes bridges. You're gonna keep your barbell like this and you're gonna throw a thrust, come back. Throw a thrust, come back. Okay, do 10 reps, take a 2-minute break and switch to other exercises. Real dead fly. Okay, you will not use any stool. Okay, come in this position and do 10 reps, take a 2-minute break and switch to another. The 12th exercise you're gonna do is dumbbell walking lunges. Okay, keep your back straight. Do not do it like this, straight and slow and controlled form. You see, your hip will pop out like this. Back straight. You see, you are not going to do like this in any way. From here to here, keep it straight. Okay, do 20 reps, 10 from each leg, total 20. Take a 2-minute break and switch. Now 13th exercise is mukdar swing. You're gonna do it single hand and pick a heavy weight mukdar. Okay, you're gonna do it from single hand. You can keep another hand here or here. If you do not have a mukdar in your gym, you can skip this exercise altogether. Okay. Take a pause here, that's important. Okay, 10 from this hand, switch hand. Okay. Okay, take a 2-minute break, switch to another. Okay, now 13th exercise is you gotta do a simply forward swing. Now you gotta hold it with 2 hands and okay, 10 this way and control your whole body, just move your hands from the elbow like this. A bit you can go, that's fine. Okay, 10, 10, 20. Now the last exercise, the 14th exercise is clean and press, or you can say it a power clean and press. Okay, you're gonna start from here in a deadlift position. Do a deadlift, bring the bar all the way up here and press. Okay, same, reverse the motion and breathe in, breathe out. Okay, do 10 reps, take a 2 minutes break, and you are done.